One of the amazing benefits of Rogers' close community is the support you receive. Andrea, an international student, knows how important it is to find your people and support, especially when you're not close to home. The Center for Student Academic Success offers a wide range of academic and accessibility services, helps develop academic plans, and collaborates from departments across campus. Take it away, Andrea.
Thanks, Alex. So you know in those movies where the main character decides to make this radical change in their lives and pursue something bigger? Yeah, well, that's what I did. When the time for college came around, I decided to leave my whole life in Mexico, pack it up in a suitcase, and pursue a college degree in the United States. So when I first got to Roger Williams University, I was amazed by how surreal the experience felt. I was greeted by a group of international students who helped me move into my room, and then they ordered pizza so we could bond. Once classes actually started, I immediately connected with students from my major who were so passionate about learning that it really motivated me to fall in love with my career path even more. I love how easy it is to find a familiar face on campus. Doesn't matter where you're going, you will always be greeted by a smile and a hello. And that builds on that sense of belonging, which, trust me, coming from a different country was such an important thing for me. It is really easy to make new friends because there are over 70 clubs here at Roger Williams, which really allows for everyone to find their own passion, to meet people with similar interests, just find what they want to do. There are a lot of resources on campus to help students thrive. An example of this is CSAS, which helps promote success by offering academic support. Now, in my last year of college, I cannot put into words how grateful I am for this experience. I've learned so much about what I'm passionate about and how I can implement that in my career. I've made long-lasting connections with the community and learned skills that go beyond a classroom. I am so happy I chose to be part of the Roger community. That's my story. Back to you, Alex.
What an awesome story, Andrea, especially important for those who may be unsure about going somewhere further from home. Cheers.